I lost the frame, contents, and artifacts that held lives. The house, a vessel of stories, dismantled. The fire destroyed the partition between inside and outside, and the myth of a fixed border. Surrounded by debris, by disassembled boundaries, a lone bird chirped, calling me to different ways of seeing. This landscape, a reconfigured vessel, merges clay, ash, fire, and the potential of reimagined recollections.
I saw the whole thing. I've been watching for years, a bird's eye view. I remember when they came and built the house on stilts near my nest. My baby's too young to see. I remember when the mother, sick, lost her hair, featherless in great tufts, and the oldest girl left for art and love. The youngest, stone-faced. She was in the house that night. A decaying wire unraveled its coating. A cold night tripped the antiquated heater. A spark, an ember, a conflagration. Singed my wing in a foolish effort to save a doll. A remnant the mother left for now-grown daughters who also flew her coop. But the fire roared, my chirps buried in the whoosh. The dance of the flames, so quick the girl could see it as she ran transfixed, eyes ablaze. Too quick to save a thing. The roar, smoke, ash, cinders, and her tear-streaked face stone. She saw me in the morning glare, picked through the rubble and heard my plaintive chirp. I am here, little one. Her sister, the lover, the artist, came home, and from the ash they built again. They remembered the roar, the chirp, and the mothers who watch over the house, babies now grown, who build art from ash, a bird's eye view.